fancy fan heater. Look at that. It's so fancy, so good. Blaupunkt. Apparently it's meant to be like a really good make. Because it's like German and it lasts ages. Because apparently it lasts really long because blaupunkt is like German. And even the logo is like scratching off. It's pathetic. This fan is stupid. This thing is nothing but trouble. And there's already a crack. Well, that's pathetic. But you know what we do to this cheap, dumb plastic? It destroy it. What the hell? What the hell? That is dumb and pathetic. Look how cheap. Already breaks off. Oh my god, that is so pathetic. It's so dumb. Just fell apart. What the hell? What the hell? This is so cheap. This just keeps getting better and better. Oh my days. This keeps getting better and better. Oh, it's good quality, isn't it? What was that? On work, you stupid pathetic thing. Hi, dog. Yeah, that's my dog. My dog is watching me smash this. Well, if you're scared, then I recommend you leave, dog. Oh, this is pathetically cheap. One more massive hit. You know what? That's it. This thing is going to be dead. This thing is so cheap. I thought it was meant to work. Come on. Work. Fix yourself. You idiot fan heater. Doesn't even work. It's a waste of my time. It's a piece of junk. This thing is a piece of junk. It's so trash already. Look at that. It breaks off. Oh, the fuse has fallen out. That's funny. Oh, here it is. That's funny. You know what? That was fun. Now let's see if we can break the switch off, huh? Yeah, let's try that. These switches are due to coming off. Oh, maybe that's the one thing that's good quality. The switch is one thing that's good quality. Why? Smash off. It's not even smashing. Let's see if we can smash the fancy, luxurious grill. Yay, smash it. Stupid cheap. How cheap it is. How cheap, the fancy. How cheap it is. blaupunkt. Looks like you've lasted a long life, but fortunately now you're dead. And just like this, I can literally hit you like this. It is so... Now let's try and hit the luxurious fancy back grill. Oh! I want to get that blade! You know what, let's take a proper good look at that blade set. Wow, so fancy. Oh, it's so dusty. Let's clean it. Oh, yeah. That is so clean. I'm going to give this a review of how clean it is. Such a clean back here. Oh my god, so pathetic. Already destroyed just like that. Oh, see that metal bar? Let's destroy that. That's destroyed. That's destroyed. That. Look at that. Well, at least I got spare wire. Stop. Junk. What the hell? This thing should be thrown out. So junky. Oh, well, don't go too fast. I just cracked it. Wow. Well, I'm not surprised. Let's try and make the crack worse. Oh, that was fun. This thing is a piece of... Look at that. It is absolutely destroyed. Thing. It's destroyed. Yeah, it's just my mother saying just make sure the plastic don't scratch the pavement. Well, I'm sure it won't, so it's fine. Oh yeah, look, you can see all the motor in there. Yeah. This is the broken off plastic piece. Yeah. Wait. Hang on. I'll be right there. I'm recording. Oh wait, I shut the door. Let me back in. And then yeah, alright, I'm gonna record. Anyway. This thing is stupid. Oh yeah, that's what I was told to my family member. I'm not saying I'm recording, so yeah. It's a piece of trash. Just like this. Pathetic! You don't have to step on it again. Jolty fan heater. Oh no! Filthy. There's my thingy. It's dusty in there. This thing needs to clean. Oh my god. This thing has no earth wire. It must not be safe at all. This is a piece of garbage. Stupid pathetic fan heater. Look at it. All the wires connected properly. Oh yeah, this is the actual fan motor. Ugh, it's so dusty. Bit grubby in there. There's more bits flying around. Why isn't it breaking off? How is the switches not breaking? That's it. See this? I don't know if you know what this is, but I'm going to destroy it. Oh yeah. I'm destroying! Such a long cord. God, make it so portable. Oh yeah. It's so portable, so good. Wow. But technically, I just destroy. Smashed. Oh, it's all hangy actually. Hitting it and stepping on it, I'm gonna throw it. Let's throw it again. 3, 2, 1. Hey, finally the switch came off. My dream came true. Oh my goodness, this thing is pathetic. It's all hanging off now. Look at that. That's what you call a destroyed fan heater. Stop hanging off. Stop hanging off. So pathetic. Don't know if you can see that, but the switches came off of here. Let's throw it another time. It's all hanging off. That's so pathetic. Okay. Hey! My screwdriver's broken. Oh no! It's all everywhere. I'll show you, it's everywhere. There's even a tiny bit there. There's a tiny bit there. And it's just everywhere. What's my tripod doing now? Not like I'm going to smash that up. Thank you for watching. I know you guys enjoyed. I know you guys love destruction, and yeah.